Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I made a chalkboard bottom mug, and you will very shortly understand what that means, so here we go. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm going to wipe the bottom of my mug just to give me a clean surface to work with. The next thing I am going to do is to add my chalkboard paint to the bottom of the mug. And this is because I think it'd be really cute that you could write in chalk on the bottom anything you want. For example, like as you were drinking, you could put like a heart or a smiley face or a circle or anything you'd like. So I have done a couple chalkboard items before, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint on in one direction, basically. And I'm just going to do that, and then I am going to let it dry completely, which will take 1 hour, but of course in YouTube land it's going to take about 3 seconds. So I will be back when this is dry and we will continue it. Okay, so this took about an hour to dry, and now I have to paint more chalkboard paint the other direction. Now, you might be able to see it, maybe not, I'm sorry. But the paint strokes are going vertically, now I need to do them horizontally. Excuse me. The paint strokes are going horizontally, now I need to do them vertically. And then I need to let that dry for an hour, and then it'll be done. So I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited to see how it works. I'm hoping it works really well, and it's going pretty well so far. So I will be back when this is all dry and we can test it out. Okay, so this has finally dried now, and I let it sit for a full, probably like 2 days, just to make sure that it was completely dry. And the next thing to do then is to just put chalk all over it. Alright, and then after you do that, you just want to wipe it gently with a damp rag and then dry it. I used a patting motion just so I don't completely like scrub all the paint off, which I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be able to do, but just in case. And then that completes the chalkboard bottom mug. So now you can put a little smiley face, and it'll look really cute when like you're drinking or something like that. And there you go. It's all finished. So that is how I created the chalkboard bottom mug. I'm sure there has to be a better name for this. If any of you guys have a name for this, just leave them in the comments down below. Help me out here a little bit. But that is how I created it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!